Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Eshu Kannada. Today I am bringing you a very useful school conversations video. This video will help you learn how students and teachers speaks in English during school time. I will explain each line slowly so you can understand clearly. Let's begin our school conversation video. ಇಂದು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you today? How are you today? ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am fine. I am fine. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Did you all complete your homework? Did you all complete your homework? ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೆವು. Yes ma'am, we complete it. Yes ma'am, we complete it. 32ನೇ ಪುಟ ತೆಗೆಯಿರಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 32. ಓಪನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 32. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಹ ಇದೆ. I have a doubt. I have a doubt. ಕೇಳು. Ask me ಅಥವಾ ಹೇಳು. Tell me. Tell me. ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. I didn't understand this sentence. I didn't understand this sentence. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. No problem, I will explain. No problem, I will explain. ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯದ ಅರ್ಥ This sentence means ಓ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ಓ now I understood. Now I understood. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣವೇ? Shall we go to the canteen? Shall we go to the canteen? ಹೌದು, ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವು. Yes, I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry. ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀಯಾ? What will you buy? What will you buy? ನಾನು ಸಮೋಸ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will buy samosa. I will buy samosa. ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬೈ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬೈ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್.